Hi guys, this is Stefan Zamit from neuronfx.com, and in this video we are going to see how we can customize the intro promo for Adobe After Effects. So once you open it up in After Effects, you can find this folder right over here. You can open that and immediately you can go to the composition, edit color, and if we double click on that, you can double click on the composition and it will open the composition for us right over here. We can go over the layer named color, and if we go to effect controls from here, we can start customizing the colors of all the animation. So if we go to color 1, we can give that any color. So let's make that a quick yellow, for instance. And for the background, for color 2, we can do the same. So we can give it any color once again, just like that. And then you have separate control for the text color. You have two different colors since you have this like gradient in here. So we can go ahead and simply go to text 1, for instance, and give that any color like that. And text color 2, we can give that any color as well, just like that. So that's how you would change the colors. Then for the text, we can go to the project window once again, go to edit text, double click on that, and you can go inside of any of the text here to start and customizing that. So let's double click on the first one. We can go right over here and we can simply select your text here. Make sure that you edit the green layer in here, your text here, and type in your text. Just like that. And we can select that layer and even give it any font from here if we would like to change that to a different font, for instance. And secondly, we have an option also to pick a special word. So if we go to the controls in here, to the effect controls, go over the pick special word, we can simply give it a different number, for instance 1, and that would pick the gradient on that special word. We can adjust the gradient color, but this won't really have an effect on it because this is actually bypassed by the colors in here. So you don't need to adjust those colors, but what you can adjust is actually the gradient location. So in here, if we choose gradient location 1, for instance, we can modify how the gradient looks. And we can move that the second location here and basically modify that gradient depending on that specific word. So that's basically it in terms of customizing your text. You can go ahead and go into text 2 or text 3 and you can type in whatever you like in here as well. And make sure right now, as you can see, I have mistakenly edited the special word. Make sure to actually edit your text here instead. So make sure to edit this layer, your text here, always the green layer. And the other one, the special word, would be edited automatically. So that's basically it. Now to render, you simply go to the render your project here. You can also go from right over here. And of course, if you are using a music file, simply import that music file in here. And once you are happy, simply go to composition and go to add to render queue. From here, normally if you are using a recent version of After Effects, I like to use H.264 instead of QuickTime, and then simply make sure that audio output is set to on. If you are using audio, click OK, give it a rendering destination from here and simply hit render. So that's basically it. I hope that you find this very useful and thank you for watching.